Okay, so many websites in the world, they provide you password change functionality where you can, they require you that you log in first and then change the password. Or what can be the other possibility? What can be the other possibility? I show you, then I tell you how to hack all of the situations. When I go to any website, for example, and I click change password, change my password, what they do, they send you a link to your email and ask you click on that link to change your password, right? Understand or not?
Yes, like a kind of confirmation.
Yes, confirmation they send. Okay, click on this link and go and change password. When you click on this link and you go, they don't ask you anything. They just say enter new password, confirm password, isn't it or not?
Yes, doctor.
Okay, now tell me how that link know that it is you. How that link know that it is you who has come to change the password? Because in that link, yes, Khalil, tell me.
If you access it by your email and you click it, and that's mean it's you are the one who's accessing the link, and you are the owner.
No, I tell you what is the thing. When they send you the link,
I think because the cookies.
No, I tell you. If you are a programmer, think if you are a programmer and some user on your website requests to change the password and you are going to send that user a link to change the password. So what you will do? You will create some information in that link which can identify the user. Maybe you will embed the username over there. You will embed a token over there, or you will embed something which is related with that user. Understand? Understand or not?
No, doctor.
Can you just repeat, please?
Yeah. For example, I requested you to change my password. So you are sending me a link. So when you send me a link, usually there will be some thing in that link which can identify me correctly that this is me. You understand?
Yeah.
And how you do it as a programmer thing. You are a programmer and you want to program this situation that when some user want to request the password change, so you need to identify that user on the server. When he clicks on the link, you will identify on the server that it is that user, right?
Okay.
So what do? You embed maybe the username over there. Because when username with the link will come, it is same like a request. Same request you receive as a web programmer on every page. So when this request will come, it will be coming to a page which is called password change. It will come to a page password change, and whatever value you have embedded in the URL, that will be coming to your function to execute to change the password. You understand?
Yes, doctor. This is, I think, is URL masking, right?
Yes, URL masking or even programming. Like when I click login, how this button is clicking login function, because I have programmed here, right? Understand? And if I copy this URL and paste, if I paste here and click on this link, so it means it will take me to the same place, to the same function which this button is taking. Understand?
Yes, doctor.
Same programming code will execute on your web page. So as a programmer, you are embedding your username in that link so that when this request come to you, you can identify it. So that's how you can change this URL. You can change this URL. If, for example, this URL was to change my password, what I can go and find out, okay, this username is for my account. What I can do, I can go and change this username to maybe Abdulaziz username. I put Abdulaziz. And now when this will go take me to the web page to change the password, the server will think which user is coming to change the password. Which user?
Abdulaziz user.
Abdulaziz, and I go and change the password. So which account is hacked? Did I change my password or I have hacked Abdulaziz account?
Abdulaziz account.
Hacked, right? So this is how one flaw in the password change that we can find it out that what we can find out that now my user account is blocked. So if for example, if this is disconnected because I think university has implemented password change functionality, okay, students. So if my recording anytime end, then lecture will finish here and I will start next time, okay? But I hope it will allow us to complete the lecture, okay, students?
Okay.
Okay, because I think on weekend they have enforced the password change policy, so I need to change the password. Okay, so you can see this situation that most of the websites, they provide password change functionality. However, this functionality is vulnerable by design. So usually implementers, they don't put so much restriction on password change page as compared to applied restrictions. I have shown you just one very famous website where you can see they allowed us to change the username to some another username. And also even you can see that these websites, when you change the password, it is good. It was good website, that's why they ask you to confirm the current password. But many websites, they don't ask you to confirm the password and they ask you just provide new user, new password and confirm password and that's it. You change the password. And if you change the username over there, so what you will do, you will change the password actually not for you, which you are logged in user. You have changed the password for other user. So this is how you can hack the usernames, user accounts from the change password functionality. Okay. So as I told you, when you change the password username, they can ask you enter new password and just confirm the password and password change. So this is one situation. Okay. Now other situation is if they are asking for current password, as we have seen on the website, usually what happens on the login page, they put a number of restrictions. For example, if you entered 5 times incorrect, your account is blocked. But most of the time it is observed that on the change password functionality, many websites, even they are very restricted on the login attempt, they are not restricted here because they are thinking it's a authorized user. He is not trying to do something bad. So they don't put check on the number of attempts. And in this is how you can apply the brute force to change that password. Up to here, clear? Understood the situation, students?
Doctor, I have a question. May I
Yes.
ask?
Yeah, please.
If we like the previous situation you show us, we change the password and username and the URL. This happened only when the URL show for us, like when
No,
it
no,
is.
no. If I show you, I show you my original ones. So don't hack my account. Okay, I need to stop recording because I don't want you to see my usernames, password, because this is learning purpose. Okay, I'm not asking you to try something. I'm showing you my own account, right? So please, I stop the recording so that at least my account is not hacked. Okay.